Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be just making my own YouTube channel based on what people have seen. In my other kind of videos, I was asking people on what kind of name I should name my channel. So yeah, I just named whatever really popped up into my brain. Of course, this isn't my real profile picture, nor is this the real kind of username I would choose unless if I'll keep it. But for now, I'll just keep it the same. But first, I'm gonna change the banner. So here I'm gonna go into like Pinterest and stuff and get like some kind of banner, and then I'm gonna put in like Adobe just in case if it doesn't work. I'm gonna use Adobe Express. And then first I could do is go to my stuff, and then I'm gonna upload my thing over here. Of course, I'll be changing like the banner and stuff, but this is what I'll be working with. Then also I could just add some text and stuff. You could always use Canva, but the thing is, some does use Pro, so I'm not very sure, but Adobe Express could just use this for free and stuff, add some remove background images on here, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, most of these are Adobe Express. Okay. I think that's the username I chose. So I think it's okay. Um, and then I could just like add my stuff over here and just add like pictures and stuff. And then, of course, this is not temporary, just using for the video. So yes, it's not gonna be this. Hopefully. Not very sure. If I can't think of a channel name, I could just change it and keep it as it is. As for what I am doing, it's just the same. And yeah. Okay, now that I'm done with this, I could go add and download. And then start downloading. Yeah. Okay. And let me just go to the YouTube channel. Don't mind the username and stuff. This is not changed, but my profile's not changed, so don't mind about that. Let's see if I could upload this. If I could, let's see. Oh, okay, so like I'm done with the banner. It doesn't really look that good too much, so yeah. So then let's see here. We could just check out this area or just check out the Pinterest and stuff. But here, what the Adobe shows like over here, if we go to like YouTube profile photo, Instagram square post, or YouTube thumbnail, and then we could go to Canva, and then we could go to YouTube. We could choose a YouTube thumbnail, a YouTube banner, YouTube shorts, YouTube channel logo, YouTube ad portrait, and YouTube ad square. So basically, let me just close this out. Basically, I need to reload this. What I could do is make a video and then I could put it on my channel, which that'll be actually pretty cool. But not very sure what else I could do on this channel. I could also add a banner to this. I mean, not a banner. Like descriptions. Let's see here. If I could go, actually no, why not? And then let me just type in my description, and then I'm gonna add symbols. Let's see if I can add symbols. Okay. So, I need ideas since, of course, I'm like new to YouTube. For me personally, yeah. Hello, hello. 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 Day in my life, and I guess we could do. Well, basically, what I'm trying to do is just day in my life and vlogs. So yeah, so not that much description personally. So let's see if I could I public this? Okay, let's see. We got also add a video watermark, which let me see if we could go to Pinterest. YouTube watermark. Ooh, wait, okay. I like this Pachaco one. I think I could do this one. Or I could also do. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm gonna do this one. If I could do it, I'm not very sure if the size would be good though. Yeah, but I think does not work. Wait, let me see. Yeah, let me just check. Okay, so basically I just like changed my profile picture to this one. So first not just temporary, not actually the what I was supposed to go for my profile picture. But yeah, here are some other ones that I could have chosen. But here, yeah, is that Hirono? Yeah, it's like one that I love that. Chikawa, yes, I love this. Yeah, these are some other ones like Usagi to the banana. Haiku. It's a haiku, right? I'm not very sure. Um, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so here's all the ones that I could have chosen. But let's see what else I could add because I'm not really sure what else I could add aside from. Oh yeah, I need it to add my bio because I need to restart. Okay, publish. Okay, go to my channel. Okay, yeah, this is actually pretty cool. I would probably keep this. Yeah, I'll probably keep that. Changing the banner is just temporary or my profile picture too. I normally change my profile picture like a lot, which that kind of actually it's kind of different for me personally because I normally change my background like once in like a month or so. But it depends on the profile picture. If I really like the profile picture or like if I take a picture of myself, like yeah, I'll probably change it to that. But I don't think I'm gonna get much audience though, since I'm more of a younger engager doing vlogs. And yeah, it's kind of strange though, but yeah, it's not really that bad though. We could also give a shout out, but I don't really have subscribers, so or else I could just wait. Could I edit this? I'm very sure I could edit it. Yeah, I can't really edit right now because it doesn't really work. I think it does not work for some reason. I need to change the likes. But I do had a video. I think I had a video, but I think I deleted it. Unless it was like another channel though. But yeah, this is my YouTube channel. If any of you guys wanna subscribe to me, here's my YouTube channel. I don't think I'll get much videos though. Because I don't really I go to school and like I sometimes vlog, not really that much though. So of course I can't really do much though. But hopefully I get somewhat better on this, somewhat not better on that. If I need so people in the comments, please give me tips on how to make my own YouTube channel. Of course, I'm like watching other people's like channels and stuff and like vlog channels to like get me inspiration. But of course, yeah, it's um be making videos. So if anyone would want to watch me, I would love that too. Um yeah, it's don't mind any of this though, cuz but if any of you guys were watching my other channels, so yeah, don't they really think that I have much to do on this YouTube channel though, because I don't really have a video to like upload right now. And besides from this one, but I'm adding it to the learning one, so audio library. Wait, hang on. Wait, these are actually like cool audios that I could use. I don't know if it's copyright. Is it copyright? Okay, from YouTube audio. Yeah, YouTube audio. Kids playing starred. Yes. Upload current subscriber 0. So if anyone you guys want to subscribe to me, I love that people would do. But though I won't really get that much engagement because I'm not really posting right now because ever since I'm like a little bit busy. But hopefully people would start engaging with me better because yeah, hopefully though I'll get good videos. I'll try to edit. Give me some like recommendations in the comments if anyone would want to like tell me what to post or day in my lives. But of course, it's my job to post and know what to post, but I'm not very sure about that, so make sure you comment down below. Also give me names. If anyone likes my name like right now, just tell me in the comments that you like my name. Yeah, I need some inspiration for the banner though, because I do not know what kind of banner. And also I could also use Pinterest too. The thing is, banner for YouTube. Yeah, these are some of them, but I'm not very sure if I could use them. Cause I mean, I could use them. Well, like, I feel like I want to add my name onto it. Which, yeah, of course. Oh, I could use this one and just add my name, but of course. We also have this one. Okay. Um, yeah, let's see. Yeah, these ones are actually pretty cool. I probably use these ones, so like, please give me some recommendations. Oh, wait, I like that cat too. I like that one too. Um, let's see. I'll also kind of do plain too. So yeah, not very sure. Maybe I'll keep this profile picture. Probably change it into a picture of myself though. But yeah, let's see. YouTube channel. I'm just like looking over, seeing what I should do in this. There's not very much to do as to making a YouTube channel. Um, yeah, because I already did like all the steps already, and yeah, let's manage. So if any of you guys see like a video posted on here, please just, if anyone watches it, then I'll love that people would watch it and comment on it and see positive comments about it though. But hopefully it's pretty good. My first editing skills is pretty bad. It's from CapCut, of course, like the original kind of editors like me that use CapCut. So basically doesn't really yeah, my editing skills are okay. I don't mean it's good, but I don't think it's that bad. But I find inspiration from other kinds of YouTubers that use vlogs and of course like take photography. I love photography growing up as a kid, so yeah. I love taking videos and maybe some vlogs and day in my lives. Day in my lives, mostly I'll be posting that about day in my lives about well, mostly on the weekends or maybe like on breaks, but there's rarely ever you're going to be seeing me on weekdays at like school time, so yes. Um, and then yeah, don't be really that engaged into this YouTube channel. Yeah. So I hope you all like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for more other videos to see later on. Bye.